Hi, I'm Suzanne Stacca, and I'm going to teach you how to build a website with WordPress that Google loves. And it's this latter part of the equation that we really want to focus on today. The reason why I'm doing this, I've had clients, prospects, friends, colleagues in the past try to do this on their own. They want to save money. They don't want to pay for the high cost of a web developer or web designer, but they still want a fully functioning website for their business. However, they're frustrated because they think, I have a web hosting account, I have a domain name, and I installed WordPress. Why isn't it ready? Why is my website not beautiful and ranking at the top of search? This guide isn't going to get your website to the top of search on day one, but it is going to put you in a better position than other people who try to build their own websites and even many newbie developers who don't really know what they're doing. Google wants to see certain things from your website. It wants there to be a great user experience. They want a modern and responsive or mobile-friendly design. They want it to be super fast to load. They want it to be super secure so that users feel confident walking around your website, purchasing your products, subscribing to your services, reading your blogs. And these are the things that you wouldn't necessarily know unless you're in the line of work that I'm in, or if you're a web developer. But of course, web developers aren't going to tell you this. So that's what this guide is for. I'm going to teach you how to use just a premium WordPress theme, a handful of high quality WordPress plugins, and talk directly to Google and say, here's my website, it's awesome, users will love it, please rank me in search. And we'll go from there.